Hey everyone, hi, this is Ria. Welcome back to Kamvali Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to let you know how to treat your babysitter. Well, Kamvali Bais makes it super easy to build a team of sitters you trust. But it's also important that how you know how to keep a good babysitter. Kambali Bais provide babysitter services so you can easily and directly hire from Kambali Bais, and we are serving these services from last 12 years. The relationship between a sitter and child is as individual as the child itself. When you have found your Mary Poppins, you want them to stick around. The average time of a babysits for a family is about 1 year. But if you have a great relationship with your babysitter, you can keep them around for years and years and years. Keeping a good babysitter is actually really simple if you follow these 6 steps. Only 6 steps for how to keep a good babysitter. First, treat your babysitter with respect and kindness. In this world, each and everyone deserve respects. So let's begin with the tips. Your babysitter has an incredible responsibilities. They are taking care of your child in your absence. Most important thing, don't view it as an employee-employer relationship. Always view them as a as a part of your family. You should not treat them as an employee or some kind of a housemate or some low grade kind of a person. You always have to treat them as a family member or as your peer. Get to know them personally. We can't stress this enough. Your nanny or babysitter may technically be a household employee, but they should not be treated as such. Develop a friendship. Take a minute to simply ask them how they are doing. Always take a little time to talk with at the beginning or end of the job. Having a good relationship with your babysitter helps you to develop a deeper level of trust, so you don't have to worry about when you are out. Set expectations. Your babysitter can't read your mind, correct? Make sure you communicate what you expect them to do in a polite way. It's a lot of information for them to take it all at once. Make sure to review these things like how they can be reached, alternate emergency contact details, bedtime routines, food schedule, appropriate activities like games, video games, TV, and etc. Appropriate snacks like no ice cream or cookies or cake and etc. Appropriate discipline, which is really necessary. Any tips to calming the child down if they are crying? Favorite toys of your child, just games, music, and etc. Clean up all your expectation. Pay them well. Guys, I will let you know this is the most important part of hiring babysitter. Pay them well. Again, they are doing a very important job. Pay them what they deserve. This is not the time to a bargain. Hunger, you get what you pay for in childcare. So do not bargain with them. Be approachable. When you get home, ask them how the kid behave while you are gone and accept the response they give you. They may say your child is a little angel. They may say they had some trouble with your child. So always be approachable. Don't expect them to do better job than you. If you have trouble managing your child's temper tantrums, don't expect your babysitter to do anything better than you. You can't always get your child to bed on time. So don't expect your babysitter to have them on time. You will come across some sitters that are baby whisper. Others are simply babysitter who love taking care of children and want to do a good job. Well, I will see you soon with another video with new information. Till then, take care and stay safe. If you're new on this channel, kindly do subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Oh, yes, as I said, you can directly hire babysitter from Kamwali Buys. So you just have to visit to our website, which is www.kamwalibuys.com, or you can contact us on the given number. If any of your friends, relative, colleagues are looking out for babysitter, you can share this video as well as number which is given below. Take care. Bye bye.